Hello YouTubers and welcome. Today I'm doing a review. So just for comparison, I have the old generation zealot Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, it's the what model is this? This is the uh, dash S31. I have the 71, which is a bigger version of this. But I'm going to show you a sound test of this first, and then I'll show you a sound test and an unboxing of the other zealot speaker that I got. I have two of these. Today I'm only going to be doing a test of one of them for the channel. The song I'm using is a copyright-free song. Here's what its name is. But yeah, let's begin. This is the original speaker. This is the S31. Right, now I'm going to get the other speaker so I can unbox it and listen to the sound of that with you guys. Welcome back, guys. I'm about to pull it out. As you can see right here, bass speaker. They don't tend to be bass, but yeah, anyway. Jeez, this is a lot bigger than I thought. Holy moly. Jesus, there's some weight to it. Right. So this has also got RGB lights in it. Now I'm gonna have a feeling that the charging cable is going to be a USB Type C, because I'm pretty sure there's a new law in the UK that means you have to have USB Type C. Okay, interesting. You get one of these handles with it, which I'm actually kind of interested about. You get the manual. This is the manual right here. If my phone will focus. There we go. zealot-32. Chinese version. USB Type C, I'm gonna guess. Let me see. Yep, USB Type C. Sorry about the camera, guys. It's having a hissy fit. Yep, that's USB Type C. And what else do I get? I get an approval stamp telling me what it is. What does this say? Sorry guys, I'm not showing you the other stuff because I don't know if it has my information on there. Oh, it's just the new it's just Chinese stuff telling you some information about the speaker and etc, etc. Right, without further ado, sorry about the shakiness, guys. It's hard to do one-handed. Jesus, there's a lot more weight to it. Oh my god. Okay, so they got a separate pairing button this time. The last one you had to hold a mode button. Ah, so that's where you put your you put this through there, and then you can hang it by the looks, which is a bonus. There we go. zealot s32. Let's see. So we have auxiliary, USB charging, and other stuff as well. Just same as the other one basically, but just in a much bigger package. Right. So give me a second, guys, and I'm going to connect up to this speaker. Hello guys, and welcome back. I've currently got it connected, and as you can see, it's got the RGB light going. This is a lot bigger than the older generation, and I'll just show you by comparison right now. I'll put it side by side before we start on the video. That's the old one, and this is the newer one. Quite a difference in bigness. It's not exactly tiny, but it's not exactly massive. But still, I reckon there's definitely going to be a lot better sound in this versus this. But I will say this as well, guys. I've only turned it on. I haven't listened to it yet. So my opinion will be my reaction. So basically, guys, this will be me hearing what this sounds like for my first ever time. Because I've not even played music on it yet. And I've started the song from the very beginning. Here we go. Jeez, that's a lot louder. Didn't even realise. I apologise for the flashing lights, guys. Okay, this has a lot more bass. Wow. I'm going to put that to the side, and then I'm going to do a comparison on the verses.
Welcome to use the Zealot products.
Wow, that is a lot more bass. That one is now playing. Now I'm going to play this one. That's this one now. Unfortunately, there's no play pause feature. I think you do it through these two buttons. But yeah, this definitely has much better bass. I'll turn this one off. Yeah, it makes some interesting startup and off sounds. And now I'll play it on the other speaker. That's this speaker. Now I'll turn this one on. That one's still playing. Should connect up. There we go. Now this is connected. Definitely very good bass, but this is good for putting in your pocket and having two of these. But yeah, this is a lot more bass here. Plus this is 20 watts. This is two of them is only 10 watts or 20. Yeah, so 10 watts, 20 watts. So 40 watts for the two of them, I believe. And for this is 20 watts if you have two of these speakers. By the way, this one's now playing. All you get with this one is a slow blue flashing light. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and goodbye.